theory of structure. This is the vital subject and the core subject of a diploma in civil engineering. The prerequisite subject is, if you want to know this subject very well, then your prerequisite subject is engineering mechanics and mechanics of materials. If you have fault or any doubt to engineering mechanics and mechanics of materials, then you feel trouble to get the knowledge about this subject. So at first you will clear the knowledge about engineering mechanics and mechanics of materials. And in this subject also the 5 units. First unit is column, second unit is direct and bending stresses in vertical members, third one is slope and deflections, fourth one is fixed and continuous beam, and fifth one is moment distributions methods. Short form is MDM. So first chapter, in the first chapter we will discuss about the what is column, what is the definition of column, what is the nature of the column for carrying loads. Based on the slenderness ratio, how many types of columns are classified, what is effective length, what is radius of gyrations, what is slenderness ratio, failure criteria of the long column, failure criteria of the short column, what is Euler's theory and what is Euler's assumptions. This is a very important topic. What is Rankine's formula, and some numerical problems based on the Euler's theory and the Rankine's formula. Easy chapter. This is the easy chapter among the 5 chapters. Unit 2 is direct and bending stresses in vertical members. We will know that depending upon the loading positions, the column is divided into 3 types: axial loaded column, uniaxial loaded column, and biaxial loaded column. If the column is axial loaded, then only the compression load will be subjected to the column. But the load is uniaxial. If the load is uniaxial, then the compression member will feel also the compressions as well as the bending. So in this chapter we will calculate the combined bending stress and the direct stress, and also some few technical terms. What is eccentricity, what is the value of eccentricity, what is core of kernel, and so on. In this chapter most probably numerical problems will come in the exam. There are the few concepts, but most probably numerical problems will come in this chapter. No theoretical concept will come. Question will come then asked to find out the direct and bending stress in a vertical members. Next, unit 3 is the slope and deflections. Most energetic and important chapters among the 5 chapters. If anyone asks to me what is the most important chapter among the 5 chapters, my answer will be unit 3, slope and deflections. In previous semesters we have discussed the various types of the beam: cantilever, simply supported, overhang, fixed. In this chapter we will discuss the various loads will be subjected to various type of beams, and we will find out the slope and deflections of these beams. Now, where the slope and deflection will be maximum, and what is the value of slope and maximum, slope and deflections, and so on. Unit 4 is the fixed and continuous beam. Previous we have discussed all are determinate structures, and now we will discuss about the indeterminate structure. We shall find out the shear force and bending moment of a fixed and continuous beam. Previous semester we have discussed the shear force and bending moment of simply supported beam, cantilever beam. Now, all are the determinate beams, but in this chapter we will discuss about the indeterminate beams. And last one is the moment distributions method. Among the 5 modules, if anyone asks to me what is the toughest chapter in this subject for diploma engineering students, my answer will be Unit 5 moment distribution methods. Based on the priority, priority and easiest chapter, first one is the column, second one is the slope deflections, third one is direct and bending stress, fourth one is fixed and continuous beam, fifth one is the moment distribution methods. Totally this subject is numerical based subjects. No theoretical concepts will come in the semester. If you neglect the numerical problems, then you will face problem